Are you confident you're not overpaying for Broadcom support, or worried that support quality might slip now that Broadcom is reshaping VMware, Symantec, and CA contracts? Support isn't small change. It's often 20% of license cost every year, and under Broadcom, we're seeing big shifts, pushing customers toward unified support contracts, reducing options, and even changing the way VMware tiers like Basic, Production, or Mission Critical are delivered. So, what can you do? First, always check how your support fees are calculated. Broadcom might try to peg them to list price instead of your negotiated discount. Make sure it's based on the price you actually paid. Next, negotiate caps. If your license footprint isn't growing, there's no reason support should climb 5 or 10% year over year. For multi-year contracts, lock in rates to avoid nasty surprises. Then there's unified support versus product-specific support. Unified can simplify things, but it often hides true costs and makes it harder to drop products you don't need. If you go that route, negotiate extras, like a named support engineer or capped annual fees. If you stick with product-specific support, fight each renewal on its own terms. Don't forget service levels. Broadcom should match or exceed VMware's old SLAs. If your environment is critical, negotiate a dedicated team or escalation path and make sure it's written into the contract. The takeaway? Support is negotiable. If fees are high, terms unclear, or service quality slipping, you can and should push back. At Redress Compliance, we've helped clients cut maintenance renewals, secure stronger SLAs, and avoid overpaying for Broadcom's standard terms. If support is on your renewal horizon, now's the time to renegotiate.